Empress. This is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm coming to you with an Etsy order from my dear friend Sandi, who's Decorate Your Life. If you don't know Sandi, then I will let you know that she does have a channel dedicated to all things crafty, and she also even has her own paper collections on Etsy as well as her website, and she has her own collection of dies and papers through Craft Stash, which I am affiliated with and is a very wonderful company. A phenomenal crafter, that goes without saying, and I am going to be working with some of her papers. Now, just to let you know, this is also available as a digital collection. So if you are a person who has a home printer and you want to go that route, then you have the probability of doing that with this collection that I'm going to show you. And if not, then you can certainly purchase it from her, and you're going to see how beautiful the papers are. So in this case, I went ahead and had Sandi actually send me the papers, so that way you could see what you're going to get in the mail if you order from her in this manner. So right off the bat here, let's take a look. This is super cute, and so what Sandi has in this collection is some cut-aparts that you can order from her, and she also has the paper collection. So here you see, this is her information if you're new, and please be sure to subscribe, of course. And okay, so here's a little thank you card. Thank you so much, Sandi. This is so beautiful. Okay, so she's thanking me for being a guest designer. So you're very, very welcome, Sandi. And I definitely support my crafty friends and absolutely believe in supporting small businesses. So for sure, you know, we lady crafters can be helping one another whenever possible. She did include these, and I don't know if this is going to be part of her shop. She probably does have them listed. So if she does, then I'll be able to leave you a link. But look at how gorgeous those are. Super classy. Does not surprise me whatsoever, because this is something that I would come to expect from anything that Sandi has available. And here is the paper collection. Super adorable, and it is called Cute Hunnybee. If you guys don't know this, my husband does beekeeping, so this is absolutely perfect. However, the theme is a bit on the young side, so I'll more than likely be making a gift. And if I decide to make something to sell, then I'll keep you guys posted on that. But here's the cover sheet, and you get to see here kind of a sampling of everything that will come in this collection, and also Sandi's logo there. Super pretty, so adorable. And then here's the oh, it's double-sided also. So if you wanted to cut pieces out of here to make tags, you can totally do that. Super clever. Okay, and then here's the first page. So pretty. Now, the first impression that I can tell you is that it's super clear. The graphics are full on, so Sandi, great job on that. And of course you see that banner here, the little clouds, the little cloud that's got the little raindrops, 4 little bees, and then that little what would be the not the honey house. I'm thinking beekeeping. Well, yeah, it would be a honey house, but in any case, the branch there, and a little heart with a bow. Super cute. And I'm seeing that they're single-sided, but they do have a nice weight. And then look at the next one. How adorable. I love daisies. And this one has little cupcakes, has the daisies, and then it has the little hives there. And then the little bees are just so cute, because the little wings almost look like bows on their heads. So adorable. 2 of those. And then there's this little scene here. And, oh, I love this. I love the little wagon. The little wheelbarrow, sorry. And then there's a little toadstool with a cupcake. And it has the daisy. It has more little bees, flowers, the sun with a happy little face. Oh, that is so endearing. Absolutely adorable. And then look at this one. It has a background, and this is very unique. It has a background of a light blue and a little tiny bit of green with little hearts scattered about. the cupcakes on top of that with the little candies also, and then these little honeycomb candies and the little bees. Oh, this would be perfect for a birthday. How pretty. Very pretty. Oh, and then here are some other pieces here that you could definitely cut apart, and it has the numbers here, and again, perfect for a birthday party. I mean, why not? Or little birthday cards, that sort of thing. So very pretty. The little cupcakes, very festive, very sweet. And the next one has the blues. So the background here, instead of little hearts, is actually stars. Then you got your little flowers, the cupcakes, and the bees again. And this time the bee has a little bit more of a, I would say, let's see here, the profile is on the side. I'm comparing it to the other one here where it's, I think this one's a little bit more feminine if you want to compare them. So I'm thinking baby boy would be really sweet for that one. Or, you know, apt for a baby boy project, with, especially with the little stars. And then this one's got the rainbow, and instead of just the two clouds, it's got the two cupcakes. How clever. That's so cute. And then the little numbers on the bottom. Perfect for a first year baby album. And then last but not least, there's the green, which you cannot have a good collection without a green. It's very, very pretty. It reminds me of the Distress Oxide inks from Ranger when you do a background with them, because it's got a little bit of a hint of blue here, and then the rest is shades of very light green, but with that kind of oxide look to them. So very, very pretty, very good quality. And I want to make sure that I show you the little cut apart, so I don't want to forget. So these, of course, will coordinate. So let me open this. And it's got this cute little backing. And then here are the little pieces to match. So let me put them on the green paper here so you get to see. You're going to get some of those. They look like little hearts. So cute. And speaking of hearts, little yellow hearts. There's the little beehive with the hearts. Another set of hearts there. So this could definitely be tied into Valentine's Day. Why not? Some more little flowers. Here's the cupcakes. And as you can tell, I'm putting them in pairs so that you can see you're getting more than one of these little elements. Two there. Very adorable. And then this one has the bee on top, whereas those other two did not. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Super, super adorable there. And again, with a little pick. Very sweet. And then here's this little cupcake with just a little flower. So if you wanted to quickly make a card without any bees on it, then you can definitely do that as well by just pairing these little flowers with these little cupcakes, and then the hearts if you wanted to. So again, kind of, you know, there's some versatility there. So let's look at this one. And I'm not sure if it repeats itself, but that's a possibility. And let's see here. Here's, let's see, yes, so this is the same. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this here because these are the same, but at least you've gotten a glimpse as to what you're going to receive. And guys, it's at a very phenomenal price also, so please be sure to stop by. I'm going to leave the links below, and come back so that way you get to see the projects that I will be making with this adorable collection. And thank you so much, Sandi, for trusting me to make something spectacular for you. I will put my best foot forward, and as I always say, I hope that you guys can be inspired and be blessed. And I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful new year, new crafty year. Ciao, ciao. Bye.